Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cut turkey tail. First, gather your tools: a sharp knife, a sturdy cutting board, and your perfectly cooked turkey. It's crucial that your turkey has rested for at least 20 minutes after coming out of the oven. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful cut. Now, let's locate that delicious turkey tail, a triangular, fatty piece at the very rear of the bird. Once you've identified the turkey tail, you'll notice the tailbone and the rich, fatty tissue surrounding it. To separate it cleanly, make a precise horizontal cut just above the tailbone. You might encounter some small bones or cartilage, so use a sturdy, sharp knife and apply steady pressure. This initial cut is key to easily removing the entire tail section from the rest of the bird, preparing it for the next steps. With the turkey tail now separated, it's time to trim and portion it. You can remove any excess fat or skin to your preference, though many enjoy the rich flavor these add. Next, cut the tail into smaller, manageable portions. Depending on its size, you might get 2 to 4 pieces. If you prefer, carefully remove the small bone for easier eating. This makes it perfect for individual servings. The turkey tail is a surprisingly rich and flavorful cut, often considered a hidden gem or delicacy by many. Its unique texture and taste make it a wonderful addition to your meal. You can serve these delicious portions alongside other turkey pieces, or even as a standalone treat for those who appreciate its distinct character. Enjoy it warm, fresh from the carving board, or even at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.